Welcome back, guys. So in this video, we're going to be learning about how to get rid of white space on the beginning and the end of your strings. So to start off, we're going to make 4 different strings that have a variety of word setups. So the first one isn't going to have any white spaces, and the second one will have a space at the beginning. Third one will have a space at the end, and the fourth one will have a space on either side, like that. All right. Now we're going to output them. So we're going to have a little before, this one, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we'll just copy this. Put a little space in between. We'll paste that in there. Now we'll say after. And so in order to do it correctly, you have to do .trim. And so if we say .trim here, and we put that for each of them, it should work. All right, so basically trim removes all leading and trailing white space, so all to the left of your word, all to the right of your word, and it removes it from the string completely. So let's try it out. So keep in mind oh, it's not letting me scroll up. 1 second. All right, here we go. Zoom in for you guys. Whoa. All right, so the first one, remember, there was no spaces. Second one, it had a left space. Third one had a right space. And the last one had a space on here, and a space on here. It's hard to see because you obviously can't see spaces, but that's the way it was. And then after, you can see they're all lined up. There's no spaces before, and it's hard to see again because you can't see a space, but there's no spaces after as well. So that is how you use .trim and how to get rid of white space. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe as it helps greatly, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.